How do we convert between a gradient and a perpendicular gradient? The first thing we're going to do is draw a square, because each of the sides are perpendicular to one another, i.e. they're at right angles. For the red lines, to calculate the gradient, we need to do the change in y over the change in x. So we're going to find the change in y, which is plus 1, and the change in x, which is plus 5. For the blue perpendicular lines, we're also going to find the gradient. So we're going to do plus 1, which is the change in x, and minus 5, which is the change in y. We now calculate the gradient for the red lines. The change in y is plus 1, and the change in x is plus 5. This leaves us with 1/5. We now do the perpendicular gradient. The change in y is minus 5, and the change in x is plus 1. That leaves us with minus 5. We can see that the gradient of the perpendicular lines is the same as the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the red lines, which leaves us with mp equals minus 1 over m. So hopefully that helps you to remember